All right, what's going on, everybody? Conrad here from UltraBreak.com. What? I just Conrad here on Saturday, October 5th, 2019. Doing another high-end briefcase of brand new 2019 Flawless Collegiate Football. This is a random number style break number 13. Let's go random roll to determine your numbers. Good luck to everybody in the break. First, we're gonna roll the virtual dice to see how many times we randomize. If we roll a snake eyes, it would have fallen to 3 randoms. We're gonna go 11 times in the randoms for this one. All cards of Flawless are numbered to 25 or less. We're going to randomize your left side serial numbers 1 through 25 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 7 down to 8. 11 times. All right, now we're going to randomize your names 11 times. Match it up to the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Dave down to J Rob on the bottom. That's 11 times. All right, so here are your numbers. Let's check it out real quick, and then we'll get right into the break. Dave got the 7. Lucky 7, Dave. Brano 20, Timmy 17, CJ 22, Taylor 3, Brano 13, S Maver 12, Mule with the 5 spot, ACC 24, Coach 15, B Young 4, AR 14, Lefty 23, Robe 18, T Wells 21, J Rob 2, Taylor 19, JB 9, Mickelson 25, Drummer D got that 1 spot, Rob 10, CJ 11, Rob 6, Coach 16, and J Rob with the 8 spot. All right, let's get into it. Good luck. Let me get the numbers on the screen real quick, too. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. No college theme on this one. Woo! Got a heater on the bottom. Heater. All right, first hit, 15. Travion. 15, Coach. Travion Williams patch. One of one. Anthony Miller, black parallel patch. 1 of 1. Drummy. Sorry, left. Ant Miller, 1 of 1. Here's a rookie patch auto, Brett Rip. 12 out of 20. Brett Rip. 12 out of 20. S Maver 12. Ooh, it's a nice patch on this one. Gold parallel rookie patch auto for the 7 spot, and Dave 7 out of 10. Check out my patches. right, we got a Chip Kelly auto, 4 out of 15. Chip Kelly. B Young, 4 spot. You got a 16 out of 20. Stephon Diggs, dual patch auto. Stephon Diggs. Coach. Oh, jeez. Rookie patch auto, 8 out of 25. Marquise Brown. Nice hit, 8 spot. 8 out of 25. 8 is J Rob. Congrats, J Rob. That hit's all right for you, J Rob. I think you're going to like this one. Boom! Patty. Well, this auto's a lot different now, huh? 2 out of 10. Oh, my YouTube's acting iffy again, guys. Give me 1 second. Just have to reopen my browser real quick. All right, let's finish the break, though. Let's go inside for the main 3 hits. Good luck. Damn, these are dope. All right, encased rookie diamond Artega for the 14th spot, 14 out of 20. AR 14. Encased emerald rookie auto, emerald gem rookie auto, Will Greer for the 2 spot. J Rob killed the break. 2 out of 5. Will Greer, 2 spot. And congrats, Hanum. Rookie patch auto, Roll Tide. Ruby Red, 19 out of 20. Rookie patch auto, Josh Jacobs. 19 spot. Taylor, congrats. Nice hit. Josh Jacobs. All right, that'll close it out, guys. That was Collegiate Random Numbers, number 13. Got a few more cases of Flawless Collegiate remaining in stock. So we'll get those done. I think we got one tomorrow, and then we'll do some more next week. All right. Appreciate it, guys. Congrats to everybody that did hit. All right, 2 more breaks tonight, guys. Spectra, and Spectra. Like I said, after this weekend, we'll have only 1 case of Spectra. So if you like Spectra, fill these up. Marvel. Overinflated. Oh my UFC, all my feeds are freaking messing up here. All right, let me break down these Bengals so we can sell the at least the PYT out right here. I'm gonna knock down the Bengals another $10, guys. Hold on, real quick. Let me knock them down another $10. The Bengals. Bengals do have vets on their checklist too. Nice vets. All right, 69 to 29 Bengals. Somebody go pick up the Bengals. $29. 15 left in the first off the line mixer.